Hey there guys, this is Pratyush here with a brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you how can you convert your Py file or Python file into an executable or exe file. The only tool that we are gonna be using in this project will be AutoPy2exe. AutoPy2exe is an amazing application for making exe file out of your project, whether it is one Py file or a number of them. The application has a nice GUI and look very well. Well, there is another technique of creating installers by using PyInstaller and manually doing the code, but I will not do so because most of the YouTubers and developers have shown this technique, so you can follow them along, but I am showing you a easiest way of all. Okay, so the tool we are using, we have to install it via the pip. Basically open up your command prompt, I have opened it here, and then type in pip install AutoPy2exe, somewhat like this, and hit enter on your keyboard in order to install it. Now it will take some time. So I have already installed the application. In order to run that application, you need to type AutoPy2exe and then hit enter on your keyboard. Now it will take you some time. Okay, so here we have the application. So let me show you how we are converting the file. Basically, I will be using my latest project, that would be music player. Now I have created this and I have already shown the tutorial of creating a music player. So this is in Py format. So basically what we need to do is copy its path. So I will go here to browse, and now I will open up my music player out right there. So select this and open. Now it will take you some time. So here are all the commands basically that we are need. Now here is the icon. You can change your icon by going to here and choosing an .ico file. Now we have another function that it should be one dictionary, and we have some advanced setting here, basically kind of thing like that, and we have more settings out right there. You can just play along with this and just tweak some setting in order to make your application looks beautiful. And now we have additional files also. You can add additional files, additional folder and blanks even though. So that looks great, right? So you can just try all of these because I'm not going to be explaining these things here. Now basically it would be console based and it should be one dictionary. Okay, this thing looks great, and here is our code basically. Now you can see this code out right there. So now to make the Py file into an exe file, you have to click here convert to Py to exe, and this will automatically create the Python file as an exe file. So just click here and yeah, just click OK right there, and it will take some time, but it will build everything in quickest seconds. So let's minimize this and let me show you how can you convert this file manually by using Python. So what you need to do is pip install PyInstaller on your command prompt. Well, after doing so, just shift clicking open PowerShell window here basically, and now when you have your PowerShell window, you need to type some command. So these command would be of the basic Python language which we will be using. Now we have multiple lines of code and flags in order to create a exe file. Okay, so once you have this PowerShell window, you need to paste this command. Basically here is all are the flags, and you can see, let me show you where are the flags. Here is the PyInstaller, and let me just maximize this screen, and you can see here is the no confirm and one dictionary, console, and you can change even though to this to no console. These are the flags, and here you need to mention the Python file location. So you need here PyInstaller. So as we have already installed the PyInstaller, we don't need to import it, and use your custom flags out right there. You can copy this code from the description, and then you are done. Now hit enter, and once you have entered here, you will get your project. So let me just minimize this and let me show you where is our project. So basically it is converting the file. Now it will take you some time, just around 10 to 20 minutes. So here you can see we have the output basically. So now you can click this open output folder then you will go over to here to this folder basically. Now I'm going to be sharing with you how can or where can you find that exe file. Well, go over to here to dist. You can see a bunch of files, but go over to dist and open up your application. Now you can see a lots of file going out in there, but here is our file basically. This is music player, and as you can see here, basically it is down below right there. Now double click on it to open it up, and as you can see it has a default kind of icon. You can change it by just giving the ICO file to that installer. And well, I have created this in my Mac, so it has been a great deal to create again this on my PC. So we have this amazing nice front end, and you can just play, pause, this kind of application. So this is in exe format, so it is easier to open it up in any other PC, or you can share this file directly to your friend. So I think this might help you, and if it has helped you, then please consider subscribing and hit the like button below. I will meet you on another tutorial. Until then, take care.